I just took a shower and currently I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna show you guys my very simple everyday makeup, and yeah, let's get started. So first I'm gonna start with this moisturizer from Face Shop. This is the Therapy Vegan Moisture Blending Cream. This is perfect for winters and I am just obsessed with the smell. It just smells very like herbal, but it's not strong. Beautiful lightweight moisturizer, especially if you have dry skin, you will really love it. I don't have dry skin, so I can't use this during summers, but I can definitely use this during winter. Then I am going to use my eyebrow pencil. This is from Swiss Beauty and this is my favorite eyebrow pencil because this is my go-to eyebrow pencil and I really love it. I don't usually do my brows on camera, but today I will because this is like a everyday get ready with me. So I want to keep everything in this routine, like whatever I do this very naturally. I'm going to do my base and I'm going to use this concealer. This is Makeup Revolution IRL Filter Finish Soft Matte Concealer and I'm using the shade C9.5, which is a beautiful shade, especially for your everyday makeup. Like for my skin tone, it just looks really natural and very close to my skin tone as well. And this is a full coverage concealer. It's beautiful. Use it like a foundation only. And now I am going to take my beauty sponge. I usually go with beauty sponge for my everyday makeup because I just love how natural it looks, because beauty sponge actually soaks up a lot of product. And especially if you are going with a full coverage concealer or foundation, it's better to work with a beauty sponge rather than a brush, because this is going to keep it very natural. It will blend it very seamlessly. And with a brush and a full coverage product, I don't recommend it because it just looks very cakey after some time. But even if you are using a brush with a full coverage product, make sure you go in with your sponge and just dab it really well so that there is like no excess product on your face and everything looks very smooth. This is my base. You can see the soft matte finish, definitely. So pretty. Now I'm gonna go with my blush. I love this blush from Dior. This is their Dior Backstage Rosy Glow blush and this is the shade. It is so beautiful. I think I have 3 shades from this collection because I really love how blurring, how beautiful they are. And yeah, I'm just obsessed. This looks so pretty at the same time and it matches my pink sweater. Now I don't have a brush with me currently, so I'm gonna go with my sponge only and I will use the blush. Oh, it looks so pretty. This type of a look. Now you can say that I haven't set my face with a powder, but I use this IRL Filter concealer, which is a soft matte finish, so that's why it's like not necessary to set with a powder. I just don't want to make my face very powdery, and especially because of this weather, it's kind of a bit dry, so I just want to keep it like not very powdery, not very matte. I'm using this Smashbox Superfan mascara. This is one of my favorite mascara. I don't talk about this mascara, but this is a great mascara. I really love how it lengthens your lashes. It does not give you that much volume, but definitely gives you length. This is what the mascara looks like. Now for my lips, I'm gonna take this lip pencil from Lakme. This is their 3D lip liner and what's the shade? This is 05. Look at this color, it is so pretty. It's like a nude mauve. Now for my lipstick, I'm gonna use this one from Tilbury. It's a beautiful lipstick, especially if you have a medium skin tone. This is a Pillow Talk medium, and if you have dusky skin tone, this is going to give you this beautiful nude finish, which you can definitely pair with a lip liner. This is what it looks like, and I am going to use it. It's very long lasting at the same time. Love blurring it at the same time, just a little bit. This is such a pretty everyday type of a color. And now, because it is like extremely dry and my lips are very dry at the same time, I'm gonna go with this ELF lip oil. This is Rose Envy, and it's a very beautiful pink color. These are tinted, but not too much. Yeah guys, that's pretty much it. This is my everyday makeup. Very simple, very easy, just few techniques that I love doing, and this literally takes me around 5 minutes to do. So yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know in the comments down below, because I think the main issue I face is with ideas like what should I film. So make sure to comment down below and let me know what you guys want me to film next. And if you guys love this makeup tutorial, like these type of simple things, then definitely let me know. I love doing simple makeups. So yeah, hope you guys really loved it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.